Guys, change my account pic today. Yeah, I'm just gonna go watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, just watch some YouTube. If I get around 50 likes on this, I'll do another me watching YouTube video. Boys, we're gonna do this one. Gonna be called Fortnite memes. Memes. I'm gonna do a challenge here, so yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if I can get some more memes. So I'll do something. Like you're trying to laugh. Oh yeah, I'll make the family. Yeah, if I laugh, I have to put ice down my back. How about that? Let's go, boys.
Rewind time.
Here's this challenge started, boys. Oh my god. Of course this one has to happen. Sometimes I don't find it funny at all, but sometimes I do. Oh, that sounds heavy. Oh, I just hate pain. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Ugh, that's gonna hurt. Sorry, guys. There. Wow, he just shot that. That's not even funny. What is wrong with that frog? Jeez, guys. Just sounds cringe. I'm also gonna be posting some Fortnite videos. And like Apex and all that. Like, I don't know how far with ice on my back, but I'm gonna try to keep it cool.
From the Monterey County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7, would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Are you kidding me, this on? I don't get it. Not. Not gonna laugh. Not gonna. I don't know how I kind of found that funny, but I didn't laugh. Oh my god, I get it too.
You are uninterested in the face reading. You are your father's offspring because he is ugly as well. Dad.
We had a lot of wind yesterday, but at least we didn't have a tornado. But it looks like there's a tornado out there right now. But don't worry, it's a good tornado. Are you ready, Larry? This is going to be delicious. This is a tiny tornado. Blah, 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 blah. Yum, yum.
Nope.
Yeah, that was corny.
Oh. Nope.
Critics and audiences are falling for the #1 movie in the world.
This is a sign from God. You walk away, you will cry. That movie you make my home. Change my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, I do laugh there. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we don't have ice, but we have this really cold thing. So, oh, okay. Yep, that I didn't like that. Nope. Okay. And again, like how letting people talk about that Photoshop.
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen. So,
Travis, I was curious. Speaking about
Actually, I know
pants here, how do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
This kid's a legend, bro. I love this one. Okay, I did laugh. Okay. Yep. No, wasn't me. Wasn't me. Alright. Oh, the perfect texture. I love its perfect texture. Look how much you stick to the ground, like, perfect. I love how she instantly falls. Ketchup.
Magic.
No, not laughing. Don't laugh, don't laugh. Sounds like my classmates ready to go to home. I've done this with my cat. I put her under the bag and see what she would do. Yep, exactly what she did.
I've noticed in watching some of the posts and stuff with you, a lot of guys like to show offense in awkward positions. So sitting in a chair, having back and whatever. So what I'd like to do is demonstrate a technique which I call defense against a dying ship. Excuse me.
Okay, I lost. Okay. I'm just gonna hold it there. Oh. Oh. Okay, that one hurt. I'm not gonna put it down. I'll just hold it there. I know, fun.
Do I look?
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Hello, sir. Good news. The surgery was a complete success, and everything went amazing. We successfully did surgery on a grape.
Memes. Oh my god. Sadly, I know this one. After I last one more time, I'll end it. That kid has a devil inside of him.
下邊嘅真係要散發壓力好啊，壓力門推出啲，就看得到壓力有一家接拉嘅，如果都在會同到那些人，
I'm not Coach Stan. I don't laugh. Oh, smart. Dog smart. Smart dog. Very smart dog. My ears a little bit. Aren't you out there? Fish gonna come up. Oh my. I'm trying to go back on one side. I think it's on. Conflict ever. Yep, ads. And it looks like it's it, guys.